Meanwhile, healthcare services across the country are partially affected today amidst the coronavirus pandemic as the Indian Medical Association, the apex body of Indian doctors, has called for a nationwide strike against the centre's decision to allow postgraduate Ayurvedic doctors to perform surgeries. The top medical body has called for withdrawal of all non-essential and non-COVID services till 6 p.m. However, emergency services including casualty, labour rooms and other emergency surgeries will be exempt from the strike along with ICU and CCU. The IMA condemned the central government's decision to allow postgraduate scholars of Ayurveda to formally practice general surgery, including ortho and dentistry, saying that it was this move as a regressive step of mixing the systems.
पहली बात तो जो ये CCIM का फैसला है वो गैर कानूनी है, वो अधिकृत नहीं है ऐसा फैसला करने के लिए। दूसरी बात ये अनइथिकल है, ये नीतिगत नहीं है, अवैज्ञानिक है, क्योंकि विज्ञान इजाज़त नहीं देता है कि आप पढ़िए जड़ी बूटी का साइंस और इलाज कीजिए मॉडर्न मेडिसिन की दवाओं से।
ना तो आयुर्वेद में आपने किसी बेहोशी की दवा का नाम सुना है जो आयुर्वेद में है? ऑपरेशन के पहले प्री ऑपरेटिव मेडिकेशन होता है, उसकी कोई दवा विकसित नहीं है आयुर्वेद में। तो क्या आज 21वीं शताब्दी के लोगों को 18वीं शताब्दी में होश में जो है सो उनके ऊपर चाकू चलाया जाएगा?
What was the necessity for a protest like this at this moment?
So you must understand that November 16, Central Council of Indigenous Medicine came out with a gazette notification saying that Ayush doctors can perform complicated surgeries in the field of ophthalmology, gynecology, dentistry, orthopedics and general surgery. These complicated surgeries are bound to pose a health problem to the public, and this will affect the health of the people adversely. It's a nationwide protest against this inhuman practice.
The 12-hour boycott called for by the allopathy doctors has begun in Kerala. Right now I am at the Thiruvananthapuram Medical College, which is one of the tertiary care centers, and I'll just try and give you a sense of what is happening in the OP department. This is the OP area where patients would come and collect their tokens before they can see the actual doctor. So this is how it looks like at this moment. You can see there is quite a considerable number of people who are waiting, and we have been told that in spite of the protest, in spite of this boycott, they have decided that there will be some alternate arrangements which will be made for patients so that the patients who are in need of critical or extreme critical care will be looked after by the doctor. So they have made the alternate arrangements is what the doctors have told us. But in spite of that, we can see that there is still quite a good number of crowd. People are still waiting. Though there are some alternate arrangements which are being made, not all the patients are actually getting the benefit, or they are not able to get this convenience is what we are understanding. And later today, the doctors will be holding a protest, agitation, dharna in front of the Raj Bhavan. And after that, they will try and take a call on how to take this protest forward is what the doctors are also telling us. With camera person Tinku Rajshekharan, Gopi Krishnan, Thiruvananthapuram.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.